Combination number 2. We start with our basic step. We step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Half a basic 1, 2, 3, 4. Anytime I'm about to do a switch, I cross over my second step for the gentleman. When I'm here, I take slightly bigger steps. I go 1, cross 2, step 3, tap 4. From here, we're gonna bring her forward on 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on this next 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm gonna slide this hand down to the hand as I bring this left hand up. I'm gonna step 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm tapping with the right. Ladies, you're tapping with your left. We're gonna bring her forward. Gentlemen, keep this right hand down, left hand up. This one's gonna pull her forward. This one up here is the one that turns her. We're gonna bring her forward for 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm tapping with the left. Ladies, you're tapping with the right. Gentlemen, I'm gonna guide the ladies back to her front. Gentlemen, my hand is connected behind her back. That's where I'm pushing forward. This is the one that turns her again. I'm gonna send her forward for 1, 2, 3, 4. On 3, 4, I'm bringing my right hand up. Now my left hand is down. Ladies, you're gonna do a basic step. You can do a booty roll, that's an option, but again, for now, we're just gonna keep it basic. Gentlemen, I'm tapping right, and I'm gonna turn to my right. We're gonna step 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm tapping with the left now, ladies tapping with the right. I'm gonna give the ladies a loop. So for this loop, guys, I'm gonna keep my elbow in and I'm gonna create this space. Make sure you can see your lady through this window because this is where we're gonna give her that loop. We never wanna have our hands closed like this because every time we loop, we're not gonna be able to go in. So from here, we're gonna loop for 1, 2, 3, 4. So that 3, 4, I slid down. Yeah, this is an option for the ladies. If you don't want to raise your foot, you don't have to, but this is just some styling options. So again, with the foot up, guys, I'm tapping right. Ladies, you're gonna come down on that foot for 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna ask for the hand here. Gentlemen, I'm tapping left, ladies right. For this next part, before we go into it, both hands are gonna come up. Ladies, keep the elbows down. This is gonna be another loop right here, like so. This is gonna be by 3. Yeah, and then we're gonna bring her forward by 4 after I let go. So just to see what it looks like, I'm tapping left, ladies right. We're gonna loop her for 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm here, I got out of her way for 5, 6, 7, 8. I brought her through so we can go back into our 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, just one little thing about this loop. So tapping left, ladies right. Make sure again you get out of her way. And again, I finished the loop by 3 so she can do whatever she wants with her styling or just put the hand in front on 4. So again, when I'm here, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. When I bring her forward, guys, I stay connected. I don't let go and then connect again. I go 5, I stay connected, 7, 8, so we can go back to our 1. Yeah, so don't do this. You don't want to go 1, 2, 3, let go, 6, 7, then connect, 1. Make sure you stay connected the whole time. Let's try it with music.
Okay, ladies, after the loop, which should be on 4, you're going to prep here on 4 so you can turn your hip rotated. That gives you that momentum to twist up. So we're going to loop for 1, 2, 3. Here's your prep 4. And when you come up 5, your arms are going to come together like this or like this. So for now, we're going to go like this. So we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. When you come down from your arms being up, you need to make sure you don't come down too early or you'll hit them in the face. You need to clear their face and their shoulder and then come out and around. So if we do that again from the loop, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, prep 4, 5, 6, clear the face, 8.
Se dice que en el amor y en la guerra todo es igual. Y estoy perdiendo la batalla por querer más que amistad. Mientras con tus miradas me propongo y fallo conquistar. Confundo la señal.